Hi guys, it's Sneak Warlord here. I just received the package for Ryobi EU. These are the 3 items I purchased from Maker Central, and it's come today, so let's have a look. Here's my 18-volt Random Orbital Sander. Here's the 18-volt battery and charger. Then I've got the 18-volt file sander. So let's take them out of the box and let's have a look. Necessary paperwork, and then file sander itself. Looks like a nice bit of toolage there as well. Nice. And it comes with some belts as well. Looks like 3 or 4 belts in there, 3 belts. Pretty cool. Let's put that to the side. Let's have a look at my orbital sander now. I must say it was Wayne, the Bigfoot woodcraft, who told me about Ryobi. He gave me one tool. It was the corner sander, the detailer sander. I've not looked back since. So this should be nice to use. A bit crazy how it's all cordless, but yeah, I'm starting to go cordless in a workshop because it makes sense. So that's the orbital sander. You do get some sand discs to go with it as well. It's like 240 there. So I'll put them to the side. Beautiful. There's a little dust collector as well. Nice. Looks like I'll be able to get my hoover on that as well. Shut that, so that'll be cool. And then last of all, the battery and the battery charger. Instructions. Real heavy duty battery. Oh. Bigger than the ones that I've got anyway. Look at that. Some mama of a battery. Yeah, dog. And the charger. I suppose that goes on top. Oh, you sit it on top. Oh, that's pretty cool. I was thinking that battery goes on top of that. So used to putting batteries on the item on top of that. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I've got another battery here. So I got a few now, man. Yeah, dog. So yeah. So as you know, I picked up a Ryobi toolbox while I was there. So I'll try out these bad boys at a later date. And let you know how I get on. So there's my Ryobi unboxing. Let's have a look. So there we are, guys. A new Ryobi collection. Yeah. No doubt you guys will see me using these tools very, very soon. So keep your eyes out, okay? So thanks to Ryobi. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah.